people. It is currently, Alexa, what time is it?
It's 11:40 a.m. It looks wet today. Stay dry out there.
Thank you.
You are so very welcome.
Anyway, so it's 11:40 in the morning, just waking up officially. I done woke up about 4 times since, but this time I'm actually getting up. About to probably go downstairs, make me some coffee, and then turn on TV and watch a little television for a little bit. Nothing major, really. Little Bambino's here, laying all the way under me. I gotta position her right so she doesn't fall. Yeah. Right now we got a winter advisory type thing going on. Right now the wind has stopped, but it was like blowing crazy and raining, but it has stopped right now. So we'll see what today brings and all that good stuff. So come on, Puddin'. Come on. Show mommy your little tricks. Mama. Hey, Tink. Hey, Puddin'. Hey, Puddin'. Hey, Puddin'. Hey, girl. Hey, mama, baby girl. Hi, mama. See, every time I cut this camera on, you don't want to do them tricks. You want to show people what you be doing. You trying to hide it? It makes it seem like mommy's crazy. It's all good. I love you anyway, Puddin'. Alright, so I'm back. Got hungry. So now I'm making some little hot dogs, some vegetables, with some rice. So simple, easy, and because it's being go shopping, so this is what we got right now. Well, that's the end of this video. I'm gonna end it here because ain't too much going on. We my little Bambino, got my little food, and of course the little sweet tea. I don't even like tea, but this sweet tea right here, baby, it ain't right. It ain't right, but it's real good. I'm gonna go like either figure out how to make it, or go buy a bunch of them, cause it should not be that good. And my little Puddin' in the back. Hey, Puddin'. Hey, mama. Hey, girl. Hey. Yeah. So, sorry about the light in the back, but I did have to come back on here and say my little concoction that I made. It's very good. It may look a little weird, look gross, but it's actually pretty good. It's very good. Very, very good.